Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think we're looking at a big WXY. I still think this needs to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up for the wave C of wave Y. Probably go all the way up and take out these highs to complete that W. 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, 3 waves up for wave Y, A, B, C of Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think the correction is over. I think this is very clearly the end of a wave B, and then this is a 1, this is a 2. I think we're now in a wave 3, 4, and 5 of wave C to form that wave Y pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So I do believe that we are currently in a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this whole push up right here is a wave 1. I still think this is a complete ABC pattern for a wave 2. Turned right at the 78.6. I personally think this is a 1-2, and I think this is likely over the coming weeks to make a 3, a 4, and a 5. Probably just a wave 1 of that big wave 3 trend I was showing on the higher time frames. Just a subdivision of the wave 3. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I do believe this right here is a wave 1. I think this is a wave 2. I think we're currently in a wave 3. I think that this thing most likely has a lot of upside potential. Now, maybe this right here is an ABC correction and it makes a proper 3-way pullback before it goes up. Even if it does do that, I would definitely still be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely does look like impulsive down like a wave A. It does look pretty corrective up like a wave B. It probably is more likely that it is going to go down make a wave C before it actually does continue up to make a more proper looking 3-way pullback, kind of like this over here. 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, continuation of the uptrend. So whether it does make a proper ABC correction like this, or whether it just keeps on trending up from here, either way doesn't matter, because I'm going to continue to look for longs. I'm going to continue to add long positions at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of what I think is personally a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.